Let us look at another example of volume of solid of revolution. Now here we are given the curve x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3. And if we plot it, we get this. Remember, we have already seen this. This is an asteroid. If we rotate this about the x-axis, we will get a solid of revolution. So let me just demonstrate it to you so that you can get a feel of it. So we have got a solid and its volume has to be calculated. So let's see how we can proceed. Now, we know that it is symmetric across x-axis, y-axis and x equal to y. And when x equal to 0, y is equal to plus or minus a. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to plus or minus a. Now, we can find the volume of solid of revolution of the curve lying in the first quadrant. So, we just take this and rotate it around the x-axis. We will get half the solid. And if we double it, we will get the volume for the entire solid. Now, let's solve it for y. So, y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3 minus x to the power of 2 by 3. Now, y square. So, we are cubing both the sides. So, y square is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3 minus x to the power of 2 by 3, the whole cube. The volume of the solid of revolution is equal to 2 pi times the integral from 0 to a of a to the power of 2 by 3 minus x to the power of 2 by 3 cube dx. V is equal to 2 pi times the integral from 0 to a of, now let's open up this cube. We get a to the power of 2 by 3 cube minus 3 times a to the power of 2 by 3 square times x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 3 times a to the power of 2 by 3 times x to the power of 2 by 3 square minus x to the power of 2 by 3 cube dx. Simplifying that, we get v is equal to 2 pi times the integral 0 to a of a square, 3 cancels out, minus 3 times a to the power of 4 by 3 times x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 3 times a to the power of 2 by 3 times x to the power of 4 by 3 minus x square dx. Now let's split this integral. V is equal to 2 pi times a square is a constant, so we take it out, and integral 0 to a of 1 dx because we have taken a square out, minus 3 times to 6 pi times a to the power of 4 by 3 times the integral from 0 to a of x to the power of 2 by 3 dx plus 3 times to 6 pi a to the power of 2 by 3 times the integral from 0 to a of x to the power of 4 by 3 dx minus 2 pi times the integral 0 to a of x square dx. Okay, now let's integrate. We have 2 pi a square, integral of 1 dx is x from 0 to a, minus 6 pi a to the power of 4 by 3 times x to the power of 2 by 3 integral is x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 3 plus 1. Now 2 by 3 plus 1 is 5 by 3. And if we bring it to the numerator, we take the reciprocal 3 by 5 times x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1, that is 5 by 3 from 0 to a, plus 6 pi a to the power of 2 by 3 times the integral of x to the power of 4 by 3, which is x to the power of 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1. 4 by 3 plus 1 is 7 by 3. Bringing it to the numerator, we take the reciprocal 3 by 7 times x to the power of 7 by 3 from 0 to a minus 2 pi times x cube by 3 from 0 to a. Now, taking care of the limits, v is equal to 2 pi a cube because x becomes a. So a square times a is a cube. We can ignore the lower limit because it is 0. So all the terms will become 0 in that case. Minus 6 pi a to the power of 4 by 3 times 3 by 5 times x to the power of 5 by 3. So we substitute a. We get a to the power of 5 by 3 plus 6 pi a to the power of 2 by 3 times 3 by 7 times a to the power of 7 by 3 minus 2 pi times a cube by 3. Let's simplify this. We have v is equal to 2 pi a cube minus 6 3 is 18 pi a to the power of 4 by 3 times a to the power of 5 by 3. That is a to the power of 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3. That is 9 by 3, which is a cube. Plus 6 3 is 18 pi. Again, a to the power of 2 by 3 times a to the power of 7 by 3 is a to the power of 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3, which is 9 by 3. So again, a to the power of 3 minus 2 pi a cube by 3. Again, let's simplify this. 2 pi a cube, they are common to all the terms. So let's take it out. So 2 pi a cube times 1 minus 2 has been taken out. So 9 by 5. Pi a cube is also taken out. So nothing left other than 9 by 5 plus 9 by 7 minus 1 by 3. Now combining all these things, we get v is equal to 32 by 105 pi a cube. So that is the volume of the solid of revolution. So if you found this useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Questions, suggestions and comments are always welcome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session. That's it for now.